I think the whole sort of cloud process, it can be overwhelming. I was in practice for 21 years. I've seen the transition from, I used to process everything manually, to then all of a sudden, in the last 5 years in particular, this sudden influx of new technology. And for any individual within a firm who's responsible for the cloud strategy or the digitalization of the practice, it is overwhelming because there are so many different apps to choose from. So what I did, after a lot of learning and a lot of trial and error, I realized that I was trying to do too much too soon. I was trying to automate the whole process from start to finish, and you can't. You have to really understand that process first and what your systems and controls are. But where I started was something very straightforward and simple, and it was actually just on the purchase invoices. I didn't worry about anything else. I knew our team was spending a lot of time typing in invoices manually. I knew that I could very quickly show them how easy it was to get an invoice and just upload it into Receipt Bank, as it was called back then, and straight away they could see the value, and straight away they could see how easy it was. That's all I did within the firm for a couple of months, and I didn't move to any other area of the accounting process until we had nailed that. Once we'd nailed the purchases side, then I started looking at other areas like the bank statements. How many times have we got bank statements and then manually typed it out into Excel, or manually typed those transactions into the accounting system? I soon realized that there was a solution to get that bank statement, extract the data for me, and then manually import. Again, broke it down, nice and straightforward, nice and simple, and it didn't overwhelm the team. I realized if I tried to do too much too soon, I lost the support of the team. They suddenly felt overwhelmed. They started to feel stressed. So break it down, don't rush, and make sure you've got achievable targets as well. There's always lots of talk of you need to get all of your clients on in the next 6 months and everything automated. See how many clients you've got that you want to start automating with. Break it down into a weekly process. And is that achievable? Is 5 clients a week achievable, or is actually 1 client a week more achievable? So realistic targets is absolutely key, and break it down into individual units, and then what you'll find over a period of time, all of it will start coming together, and then you'll start to see some real efficiencies through all the automation.